let it out. Now go play ball.
Yeah.
Okay? Now go play ball. Right? You relax and you go play. There's going to be highs and lows in this football game. Okay? You overcome it. Rally. Let's have fun.
The message is simple. Ain't nothing more important than what we got going right now. Every snap, lose yourself in whatever we got going on right now. Ain't nothing more important than the next snap, bro. Come on, let's break it down.
Jeff, we've heard new era before. It's a new start. Why is this one different?
Well, I think Doug Peterson has changed the culture, and when you've got a head coach who has won a Super Bowl and you listen to the players, they absolutely love him, and that's rare for a demanding coach like Doug.
100% of the plays you're supposed to make, and then do it.
First community, first community.
Tony, our player to watch, running back James Robinson.
First action, live action, where he's going to test that Achilles and see if he has explosiveness back. If he does, it's going to really help this offense.
He's got a little bit of room in the open field. 25, 20, inside the 15-yard line. James Robinson, boys, it's good to see him back.
Great job by the interior three. Designed to go off the left side. Fortner does a good job getting up to the next level. Cut back by James Robinson. Boy, the Achilles look pretty good there.
On comes the field goal team, and that means Riley Patterson, the brand new kicker. He will attempt a 33-yarder. Logan Cook puts it down. Patterson kicks it up. And the 33-yard field goal is good, and Jacksonville strikes first here in Washington.
Here is Carson Wentz starting for his third different NFL team.
You all know he struggled against the Jags last game last season.
We'll see if he can avoid some of the mistakes that cost him in tight games a year ago.
Shotgun for Wentz. Play fake again, dropping again. Fires deep downfield. That ball is going to be caught. That catch was made by Antonio Gibson. Long snap count here. Play fake. Fires to the right side. That ball is going to be caught for the touchdown. 3-yard touchdown pass from Carson Wentz. 14th play of the drive, Jeff. They've been out there a while. Play fake. Wentz fires to the back of the end zone. That ball is going to be caught for the touchdown. Jahan Dotson, the rookie, caught it. He lobbed it up in the back of the end zone. And the Commanders have extended the lead here at FedEx Field. Carson Wentz, 11 out of 15 on the day, 123. He's thrown a couple touchdowns as well. So unlike last year in Jacksonville, he's been very good against the Jags.
Defense going to get right back off. Manifested.
Inside handoff. This is Samuel. They lined up in the back. The ball came out. The ball came out. You talked about a big play. Can the Jags get on top of this? There's a fumble and a scrum for the ball, and Jacksonville has it. That's the big play you needed.
Is that Josh Allen?
He knocked it out, and I think Aluakon fell on top of it. Carson Wentz takes a knee, and that'll be the final play of the half.
The Jaguars have been beating themselves. Pre-snap penalties, not taking care of the ball. They take care of those things. They believe they can turn this thing around in the second half.
Keep on breaking their wheel. They're going to tap out after a while. Keep on punching them in the mouth.
Shotgun formation for Carson Wentz. He steps up. He's going to get hit. He's going to get sacked. All the way back at the 25-yard line. Travon Walker got him.
Way to start, baby. Way to start.
That's what you need. Big play. Set up third and long. The rookie getting his first sack. Just beats the right tackle with the speed around the corner. Great job by him.
Jags move right to left. Their first possession of the half. Play fake. Trevor drops the throw this time. Fires deep downfield. He wants Christian Kirk. Christian makes a diving catch. It is touchdown around the 16-yard line.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Under center is Trevor Robinson, the running back. Trevor rolls right. Fires into the end zone. Caught for the touchdown.
James Robinson is the guy in the backfield, so he kind of fakes the handoff. Trevor runs kind of like that bootleg out action to the same side, just flips him the ball, and it's a touchdown.
A 43-yarder for Riley Patterson. The kick is up. and the 43-yard field goal is good. Now it is 14-12 Washington, just underway in the fourth quarter of play in a 14-12 game. Dropping the throw, looking, fires left side. That ball is going to be intercepted by Tyson Campbell. He broke in front of the receiver and he picked it off on the far sideline.
Outstanding play by Tyson Campbell. He's eyeballing the quarterback. He jumps underneath and makes a big-time interception.
So on comes Riley Patterson. He's 2 out of 3. He's missed from 37. This will be a 45-yarder to take the lead. Cook puts it down. Patterson kicks it up, and the 45-yard field goal is good, and Jacksonville has taken the lead with 12:04 to play in the ball game. Play fake, dropping the throw. It's a screen to left. That one's picked off! It is intercepted by Travon Walker at the line of scrimmage. Travon is running it back. How about that play by the big defensive end?
And you have any idea how hard it is to intercept a ball in that short of an area by a defensive lineman, no less? That's a big-time play by the first overall pick, and now gives the Jaguars offense at point-blank range.
Jaguars with the lead in the ball here, under center. Toss to the right to James Robinson. James to the 10, inside the 10, inside the 5-yard line. James Robinson into the end zone, touchdown!
Well, that's just a little toss play outside. You got Big Juwan Taylor leading the way, but really it's the vision and the decision by James Robinson to cut it back, get north and south, and stick it in.
Just like we talked about, this situation, fourth quarter, forcing the game to be on Carson Wentz's shoulders. Now the Jaguars have him right where they want him. Let's see if the defense can dial it up and get after him.
9:44 to play in the game. Jags lead by 8. Dropping the throw again is Wentz. Pump fake. Fires deep downfield this time, and that ball is going to be caught by McLaurin for the touchdown. And just like that, the Commanders have scored and are within 2 points of a tie ball game here. Here we go after the timeout. 1:52 to play in the ball game. 22-20. Jags lead it. All out blitz. He drops the throw against the blitz. Fires toward the left side of the end zone. That ball is going to be caught for the touchdown by Jahan Dotson. So here come the Jaguars. Trevor Lawrence with a chance to win the game in the fourth quarter. 2 down to make 11 yards. 1:19 to play. Scrambles left. Looks downfield. Fires. That ball's kind of up for grabs. And let's see if he got it in bounds. He did. He's picked off.
Trevor Lawrence had pressure immediately on his left side. So he has no choice but to bail the pocket, and he throws it up. That's the mistake.
And that will do it. The Commanders can take a knee with a hard-fought, come-from-behind win over the Jacksonville Jaguars.
It's a much better team. I mean, I am disappointed they lost. There's no doubt about that. And what gives you hope is that this is a well-coached football team. They have a plan, and they got a bunch of guys who want to compete, but they just got to be smarter and make the plays that are there. You know, it's football.